Hello children, today I am going to discuss with you the topic Lewis representation of simple molecules. Molecule means that only covalent compounds structure we are discussing here. Now let's explain it step by step with the help of example. Let us take the example of CH4. Now first step is to calculate the valence electrons. Now two elements are there, carbon and hydrogen. In carbon configuration 2,4, so 4 valence electrons. Hydrogen 1 valence electron. Total valence electron, it can be represented by V symbol. So in carbon 1 atom is there, only 4 I have written. Hydrogen 1 valence electron, but 4 atoms are there. So 1 into 4, 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 valence electrons are there. Second step is to find the total electrons that should be present in outermost shell so that they are stable. Now for all the elements, it is value is 8. Only hydrogen it require 2 electrons because first shell can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. So carbon 1 element 8 electrons. For 1 hydrogen 2 electrons are needed, but 4 atoms are there, so 8 plus 8 16. Then third step is shared electrons. Now shared electron denoted by symbol S, it is equal to total electrons that are to be present in outermost shell minus total valence electron. So valence electrons were 8 and total electrons are required 16. So 16 minus 8, 8 shared electrons are there. Then sometime all the electrons, they are not used in bond formation. Some electrons they are do not participate. So that are called lone electrons, lone pair of electrons. That is formula L is equal to V minus S. So here the number comes in the number of electrons, not in terms of pair. So valence electrons are 8 and shared electrons are 8. So 8 minus 8, that is no lone pair of electrons are present in this molecule. So when we draw the structure, 4 hydrogen atoms are there. So we distribute the electrons between these atoms. Hydrogen can make maximum of 2 bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are called the shared electrons. For each we can draw it. That is, hydrogen is acquiring 2. This is called a Lewis dot structure. You may or may not show this circling that overlapping. So these are the 4 shared pair of electrons. Then second example we take NH3. First step, valence electron. For nitrogen configuration is 2, 5 valence electron. Hydrogen 1 is there, 3 atoms, so 5 plus 3, 8. Then total electrons outermost shell, nitrogen 8, hydrogen 1, 2 atoms are 2, so 3 atoms are there, 6. So 8 plus 6, 14 is there. Then shared electron is equal to total minus valence electron. So 14 minus 8, 6 shared electrons are there. Lone pair of electrons, valence minus shared. So 8 minus 6, 2 electrons that are not involved in bond formation. So when we draw its structure, so shared electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 lone pair is there. So this is written on the side, that is not involved in the bonding there. So 3 bond pairs are there and 1 lone pair is there. Then third example we take of CO2. Now in CO2, valence electrons 4 of carbon, oxygen configuration 2, 6. So 6 and 2 atoms are there, 12. So 16 valence electron. Total electrons, because both the elements they require 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So 8 for carbon, 8 for oxygen, 2 atoms are there. So 16. So 8 plus 16, 24. Then shared electron, 24 minus 16, 8 shared electrons are there. Lone pair of electrons, valence minus shared, that is 8. Now carbon and oxygen, so 8 shared electrons are there. Oxygen can make double bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now carbon has used its all the 4 valence electrons. So that these 8 electrons can be assigned only on these atoms. So this oxygen, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly for this oxygen. So total electrons in the lone pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are there. Next example we take N2. Now nitrogen configuration 2, 5 this nitrogen has configuration 2 5, so 5 valence electron, 2 atoms are there, so written 10 here. Then for nitrogen 8 electrons should be there in outermost shell, so 2 atoms are there, 16. Then shared electron 16 minus 10 6, and lone electron 10 minus 6 4. So 6 electrons we have distributed between the atom. These are the shared electrons, and 4 electrons are not involved in bond formation. So 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Nitrogen had 5 valence electrons. Similarly for this also. So here nitrogen has triple bond N, and this is the Lewis dot structure of this. So few more example I am going to discuss in next video. Thank you.